Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I'm on today with an exciting video because I was contacted by bbcrafts.com, and I'll link the website below, to see if I wanted to have a look at some of their products. So they've sent me a few things over that I got to choose, and I'm going to show you what I've got and tell you what my plans are for them. And then shortly I will be back with some videos of me playing around with them. So first of all, being Coastal Crafts, I saw this bag of embellishments and I just had to get them because, let's make a mess, they are the cutest little seashore creatures. Look at these embellishments, and they're really big. And you get loads of them. When the bag came, I thought, oh, I don't know how many you'll be getting. And then you get it, and it is a proper wodge of them, and they are the cutest little things. So I use these on all sorts of things. Never mind, don't they? I use them on all sorts of things. They can, on cards, they can go on happy mail, so in pocket letters, could go on jewellery. Look at the cute little dolphin. And I love my starfish. And look at those clouds, really sweet. So some really gorgeous things, some mermaid tails, and I do love mermaid and seashore projects. That's one of the things that I make a lot of, and these are really, really cute, really gorgeous. And you even get some little ones like that star. That's so usable on so many different projects. And ones that are a bit more random, like, hello, it's a duck. I don't know what you necessarily got to do with the sea. Although I know where I used to live, the village I used to live in, the swans were forever going down the river and they went out to sea, and you'd see them sort of swimming away. But these are my big bundle of gorgeous embellishments, so there's going to be lots of different things that I can make with these, and tune in to see what I do decide to create with those, and I will link them below. And I'm often buying little bags of these resin embellishments. But I tend to just, normally they come, you might get like 10 like this. So having a big bundle of all of them is very useful. So we'll just scooch those to the side and see what else I went for. I know I'm going between focused and unfocused. So along the similar lines to that, I thought they had some moulds, some silicone moulds. And I thought, oh, they would be great to have a go, my first attempt at making my own resin necklaces, and these could possibly go in the necklaces. And then along come the moulds, and wow, they are bigger than I had anticipated. So you got 2 moulds in the pack, and we're looking at 6 centimeters diameter. And those are big and chunky, and I thought, what? Those are not really going to work quite as necklaces, although they could, these ones. But they would look really cute as key rings. And I'm thinking they would look cute even as, and the one with like this, I will obviously just make an O shape. And imagine that, almost that you could have it as like a not curtain pull, it's the light pull that comes down. You could have it as various different things, but that came in a pack with that one and these ones, and you're going to think, wow, that is definitely not the right size to make a necklace from, because look at the size of the second one. That is like a big duck's egg in size. So the idea of having that hanging around your neck would be insane. So it's a really good quality feeling silicone mould. You can't fault the quality in this, but that is absolutely massive. So if they're thinking, oh, I've messed up now and I've gone and ordered something I can't use, 8 centimeters across and 10 down. I can't find my imperial ruler, so you'd have to do the conversion, bit of fun maths for you, divide it by 2.5 to get to inches. And then I realized that if you put the 2 of them together like that, so if you made one in there and one in there, that is going to make a gorgeous hanging embellishment for a Christmas tree, or any kind of tree, like a bauble, except more of an egg-shaped bauble. Imagine that filled with resin and maybe some items inside it, like a Christmas deer. And these Christmas deers I picked up from AliExpress. I mean, I'd have to think about this as to what to put inside, and then put together what a gorgeous hanging Christmas decoration that would be. Or imagine that made in some kind of clay, the two put together obviously, and then decoupaged. It'd be like one of those vintage baubles with the beautiful decoupage on. So that's what I'm going to have a go at. So I went from thinking, oh, what have I done? That is not what I wanted at all. That would never make a necklace. That would be the most insane necklace in the world. To thinking Christmas decorations. I love making Christmas decorations. So that is what's going to happen with that. So look forward to that video, and we will see. I'm going to do it in some different ways, and we'll see how it works out. The last thing I decided to pick up from bbcrafts.com. Let's move that tiniest bit. And this, so I went for quite a random section of things, as you can see, because I wanted things that I thought that I would definitely use. And I saw this and I thought, well, I'm always making die cut shapes and bows and things, and they had this sticky backed velvet. And it's not real velvet, but just like kind of velvet, and this feels gorgeous. So imagine this die cut out, and I don't know how this will die cut, whether this will die cut with ordinary dies or whether it will need big dies, but we'll find that out together. But that would just look gorgeous, wouldn't it? Just amazing. And you get loads in there. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, that's a random number. Maybe it's 20. Maybe I didn't count the top one. 20 would make more sense, wouldn't it? 20 of them, that's loads. That's going to last me ages. So we will see if it die cuts. If it doesn't, I would just die cut it with big dies. But imagine that, some gorgeous things like bows and things like that. I think it's going to look amazing. So yeah, that's what I got from bbcrafts.com, and I've noticed lots of YouTubers have been getting sent things from them, and I think all of us have picked up very different things. So it'll be very interesting to see what everybody makes. I also was on the website, and I thought today, having another look to see what other goodies they had on there, and I saw these gorgeous little metal punch stamps and the metal blanks, and I thought that's what I want next. That's what I'm going to buy next, to punch out some gorgeous little metal tags saying Coastal Crafts. How cute would that look on Happy Mail and things like that? So if you're watching bbcrafts.com, do send me those. That'd be great. Or if anyone else wants, otherwise I shall wait and pick some up myself. But yeah, do go and check out the items. As I say, you do get a lot. Quantity wise, you get a lot. Let me know what you would make with these things, and tune in soon to see the videos and see what I'm going to make with this stuff. But for now, I shall speak to you soon. Bye.